Can an AI personal assistant help those of us with ADHD or excessively busy lives stay organized? You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, BAI, your personal AI assistant, or privacy pitfall. If you're juggling a million tasks and struggling to keep track of conversations, commitments, or even where you park the car, BAI might sound like a dream come true. I recently installed its Apple Watch app, and it's already churning out daily summaries and reminders. But with its always listening mic, it does come with some privacy considerations. Let's unpack it like a new smartwatch unboxing in plain English. Think of BAI as a tireless secretary clipped to your wrist, scribbling notes on every conversation, meeting, or muttered thought throughout your day. It's designed to transcribe your life, create nightly summaries, flag key facts, and generate to-do lists based on what you say, where you go, and what's on your calendar. B can be used as an Apple Watch app or a $50 Fitbit-like device. Either way, it listens constantly, unless muted, to build a personalized profile. It syncs with your iPhone or Apple Watch, accessing contacts, emails, calendars, and locations to offer tailored insights and reminders. For someone like me who struggles with memory to follow-ups due to ADHD, its promise of capturing commitments like a colleague's request to review a proposal or a client's offhand mention of a deadline is a lifeline. In a few hours of use, it's already surfaced accurate facts about my preferences and flagged reminders of follow-ups, though I've noticed its suggestions can be verbose, requiring a quick 60-second review each night. But here's the catch. B's always-on mic raises eyebrows. It transcribes in real time, storing no audio, according to B's privacy policy, but it processes everything you say and what others say around you. B uses voice isolation to focus on you, but it's easy to forget that it's listening. For small business owners or busy professionals, B's value is clear. It catches details you'd miss, like a client's offhand mention of a budget cap during a call, and automated tasks, saving mental energy. A 2025 Mashable report highlights its help for ADHD users like me by organizing notes and tasks. But its reliance on cloud processing and Amazon's mixed privacy record means you're taking a gamble with your data. At CyberStreams, we're excited about AI's potential to increase productivity and help carry some of our mental load. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, leverage B's strengths. Use B to capture commitments and automate reminders for follow-ups, especially if memory or organization is a challenge. Review its nightly summaries to stay on top of tasks. Second, exercise your brain. Leverage the daily summaries and memory suggestions as a muse to inspire journal entries. And third, protect your privacy. Mute B during sensitive conversations and check its app settings to limit data access. For more on using AI to help make your life easier and your business more successful, click the link in the comments or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com. This concludes your CyberStream System Update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.